Hello, I'm going to give you an update on some of my Aeonium plants today. It is mid-December in Toronto. My Aeoniums were moved indoors when the temperature was near freezing. Take a look at this Aeonium Sunburst. It has lost a lot of its pretty variegated colors of red and creamy yellow. This plant is a seedling which I am propagating. It still has a bit of a red around the edges. The same is for Eonian kiwi tricolor plants. This plant is almost entirely green, maybe a little bit red around the edges here and there. These kind of Aeoniums usually show their best colors in the spring when they are outside, when they get plenty of sun, rain, and also the temperature difference in the day and at night. For now, I'm not going to worry about their colors. I just hope they will grow as much as they can. I have also given them weak fertilizers this month. When an Aeonium is green like that, it's actually not in active growth. They are in some kind of I don't know if I should call it dormancy, but when they are in active growth, the center would show the creamy yellow colors. And when the spring comes, I will show you the plants. You may remember this Eonia Valour from my other videos. The mother plant is doing well with multiple vigorous growth, and this is the head which was cut off from the mother plant when I was trimming it. It is also doing well on its own. Again, you can see this plant is in active growth from the green centers of each rosette. That is how you can tell if an Aeonium is in active growth. Look at the center of the rosette. When it's in active growth, usually it will show a different color from the rest of the leaves. Although I have turned plants light on to make this video, I don't normally give my Aeoniums any additional lights other than the light from the windows. This plant is Eonia Medusa. If you watched my earlier video clips, perhaps you had noticed that it was a stunt small plant. It has finally recovering nicely. And also look at the center. It's in active growth. The colors are not as beautiful as when it was in dormancy or semi-dormancy, because the leaves would be deep red, and the creamy color is very the creamy yellow colors also quite showy. But I'm just glad it's growing again and this is not an easy plant. You have to be very careful when you are giving. You have to make the soil dry between the waterings, but it is doing very well. I'm very glad. Do you still remember my Eonia Halloween or salad bowl? Do you remember how hard I trimmed the plant? Most cuttings from that time were given away. After that, I still felt it was too leggy, so I trimmed the plant even more. I shortened top as well as the branches and potted them individually. I'm sorry to say, when I was trying to move the plant around, one of the rosette came off from the stem, but it's okay because it grows so easily. And do you see, I still have multiple new growths from the stem. However, I must say the older stems don't have a lot of vitality, so they don't give the branches as easily as the younger stem. This one was propagated after I cut the branch off. I believe it has nice roots now because you can see the leaves are very shiny. If the leaves are showing those shiny, smooth growths, it means they have good roots and they are in active growth. This is another one which I have cut off, and it's going to grow on its own and to become a bouquet of roses. The color would be the best in the spring when the heart of the rosette becomes red and the edges would remain green. Guess that's why people call it salad bowl. This Eonia pink witch was propagated from a leaf. The good news is that the propagation has been successful. What's worrisome is that it has too many white leaves. There may not be enough chlorophyll for photosynthesis for its survival. Will it grow into a mature plant? I just have to keep my fingers crossed. Eonia Medusa is a beautiful, beautiful plant. They maintain the vibrant colors all year long. In the summer, when Medusa enters semi-dormancy or full dormancy, the green color in the center of each leaf would turn black, and rest of the leaf would be dark red. If you find one, you will feel very rewarded to have the plant. I've got two Medusa, and I have propagated them. This smaller one is the one that I propagated, but I think the mother plant didn't survive the summer, so I lost the mother one. Fortunately, I still have two. Again, thanks for watching. I will continue to keep you updated with my succulents. Bye for now.